Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are a big puzzle family. This is an example of the puzzles that we have. The kids just love to do puzzles, but we always have the same problem. What do you do when you're not done and you need to clear the table? This is the solution. Puzzle, roll it up, good for up to 1,500 pieces by Lavievert. This is a French name actually. V is life and Vert is green, so a green life. And what you have in the box is the mat, the tube, and 2 fasteners. But look at that, inflatable tube. So to minimize the space that you need to store this, you inflate the tube in the center before you roll your puzzle. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So inside the box we have the roll-up mat, the 2 fasteners, and the famous inflatable tube. So let's do a puzzle and see how this works in practice. So we have our puzzle here, and one thing I want to mention right now is that this fabric is very nice because you can actually slide your pieces, as you can see. I've been using a few different rolls made by different companies, and this one you can slide, which is useful because you need to slide pieces all the time. Before you roll, make sure that the pieces do not overlap, okay, one layer only. And don't put pieces at the very end of the fabric. The same thing here, leave about an inch or a couple of centimeters on the side. I inflated the tube, it took me like just a few seconds really. And then all you have to do is put the tube over here, and when you roll, make sure that you put that it is tight enough so that pieces do not move around as you roll and as you will unroll. So this is it. It is tight enough. All we have to do now is put 2 fasteners. One thing I would recommend maybe is that they provide in the future 3 fasteners, like to put 1 in the center and 1 at both ends. But for now you can put or use your own piece of fastener or an elastic. And now when we unroll, we have our puzzle. And note that the pieces don't get stuck at the back of the fabric, which is very, very nice. So this is a nice fabric for that. This is available in different colors. You have black, yellow, or blue. And there's also a model that can take puzzles up to 3,000 pieces. This one is 1,500. So thank you to Lavievert for providing this mat for my review. And as usual guys, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Have a great day. Goodbye.